The first grounding wire is already connected, do not move it. The second wire is for grounding the HW3006 unit, ensure it is properly grounded. Connect the medium voltage cables from the transformer to the out A and out B ports on the generator. The high voltage cable is pre-installed. Make sure both ends are tightly secured. No adjustment needed. The HW3006 requires 3-phase 380 volts power, custom voltage available. Connect the neutral line to the N terminal. Phase sequence is not required. Connect the motor to a 220 volts power supply. Turn on the motor power. Use the speed control knob to adjust conveyor speed. Turn on the main power switch. The power light should turn on. Then set the power knob to minimum. Press the start button to activate electrodes. Gradually increase power as needed. Place the sample on the conveyor for treatment. Ensure sample thickness is less than the electrode gap to avoid damage. Observe treatment results to confirm performance. Press the stop button to undischarge.